If you need to add a new part to your catalog, the best practice is often to duplicate an existing part and then modify the copy. This approach helps ensure consistency and prevents unintended changes to your master catalog. It's important to avoid editing the master catalog directly, as it should remain a clean reference for standard parts. To create a new component with the same physical properties as an existing one, but with a different description, begin by opening your exercise file. Navigate to File, Open Catalog, then go to your desktop, select Exercise Files, open the Editing Parts folder, and choose the Pipes and Fittings catalog. Next, open the catalog editor and use the filter to locate the part you want to base your new component on. In this example, we'll search for a part with a short description containing linked-in flang. Once you locate the flang, select it to view its properties, in this case, a previously created 2-inch size. Now let's add a new size to the component. Click Add Size and a new undefined size will appear. We'll configure this entry to be a 4-inch flang. Set the nominal diameter to 4, the outside diameter to 4.5, and the flange thickness to 0.94 inches. For the long description, copy the existing one and update the size to reflect 4 inches. Set the weight to 165. Then, enter the following dimension data. Dimension 1 should be 3 inches, thickness remains 0.94 inches, D1 is 9, dimension 2 is 4.5, and dimension 3 is 5.31. Make sure the optional ports have the same properties as selected, then click Save to Catalog. You should now see the 4-inch flange listed alongside the original. Let's take it a step further and add a 12-inch flang. To do this, duplicate the 4-inch size and edit the fields as follows. Set the nominal diameter to 12 and the outside diameter to 12.75. The flang thickness should be approximately 1.25 inches. Again, copy and update the long description to reflect the new size. Set the weight to 98. Then, input the dimensions. Dimension 1 is 4, 5, thickness is 1, 25, D1 is 19, dimension 2 is 12, 75, and dimension 3 is 14.38. Ensure the all ports have the same properties boxes checked, then save the changes. The 12-inch version will now appear in your catalog. To test the new components, open the spec editor and create a new spec. Browse to the same exercise files and load the updated catalog. Use the filter to locate the linked-in flang by its short description and add it to the spec. You'll now be able to see the newly created sizes with all the correct properties populated. As a final reminder, always have your dimensions verified by a checker before considering the part complete. It's a good habit to involve a second pair of eyes when building specs and catalogs to ensure accuracy. And once again, when creating custom components, always build them in a new custom catalog, not in your master set.